Hey girlies, so this your girl Mad Girl Dami coming back to you. I finally got my packaging. It only took about 4 days to get here. I ordered it just early in the week and it just got here. So I want to show you all what I got. First package is a 30-inch body wave Peruvian. I'm going to go ahead and open it up so you all can see how the hair texture is. I'm going to pre-wash this hair to get all the dirty stuff out of it that came with the packaging and to give it a nice smell. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up so you all can see. And this is what it looks like. That's going to look really nice. And it's really fluffy and bouncy. It wasn't what I expected. I expected it. Now, I'm not going to wash the 30-inch only because I want the back to look a little bit thick. I want the back to be really thick and then the front to be really slick. And I just want it to fall really, really, really pretty. So I'm not going to wash the 30-inch. I'm going to leave it as is. I'm just probably going to put a little oil on it and then... But it came in a little bag like this that says Unice hair. And yeah, so let's get into it. And it came with another little bag with a headband and some lashes. So those are going to look really cute. Let me show y'all the lashes. These are what the lashes look like. They're a little big for my eyes, but I'm going to try them anyway to see how they really look. I have a 26-inch, a 24, a 22, and a 28. So I'm going to open all of these up so you can see how thick they really look. I got 5 bundles. Probably going to use 4. Leave the other one for like a restyle. And I'm super excited because I can't wait. I didn't expect the hair to come that quickly. And it came pretty fast. So I'm just going to open up all the packaging. Oh, this one's not even coming off. And they come with these little rubber bands around the rim of it to keep the hair in place while it's being shipped. So that's really good. I like it because... So this is the 28-inch. It's really cute. I think this is the Icenu hair. Icenu. Icenu. One of those words. Don't mind me. I'm pretty hectic with the vocabulary, but this is what it looks like. This is really, really nice and soft, and I really, really like this. This is gonna look so cute, guys. Like, look how that hair falls. Like, that's gonna be so pretty. I wanted to do the loose wave, but I went ahead and got body wave, what I usually get, because I just didn't want to. I spent $500 on the hair, so I didn't want to do anything over and beyond and then not get what I wanted. But this is really, really nice. Look how you can just run your fingers through it. I'm not getting any strands. I got maybe 1 or 2 strands, but I'm going to bond the knots or bond the weft so no hair comes out of the bond when I get my first sew in. And I'm pretty sure I can use this hair over and over again. I'm really good when it comes to hair, when it comes to bundles. So I reuse my hair a lot, and I got like other bundles that I could blend with it that is like straight in body wave hair. I know I said straight, but it's like you can put like a body wave bundle then a straight bundle and get it like really thick and full. And the straight bundles come with like a little wave, like a natural wave, but not like a deep wave. But this is going to be so cute. And I'm thinking about doing like a side part. Excuse me. I'm thinking about doing like a side part so like the curls can show like a little lot. But it's going to be so cute, guys. I can't wait for the sew in. This is the 30-inch. This is the 28-inch. And look how they flow. so no hair comes out of the bond when I get my first sew in. And I'm pretty sure I can use this hair over and over again. I'm really good when it comes to hair, when it comes to bundles. So I reuse my hair a lot, and I got like other bundles that I could blend with it that is like straight in body wave hair. I know I said straight, but it's like you can put like a body wave bundle then a straight bundle and get it like really thick and full. And the straight bundles come with like a little wave, like a natural wave, but not like a deep wave. But this is going to be so cute. So this is like it flattened out. Look at it, y'all. I ain't never seen nothing so pretty in my life. And if you want some hair, hit me up. I will buy the bundle. You can use my discount code. And look how the color is like that natural brown color and like streaks. That's gonna be so cute.
Boy, you should big enough. Take it, yeah, baby, take it, about that.